Hey YouTube, on today's episode of Garage Boys, I'm going to show you how to open the door panel on a 2009 Kia Rio. This will work on any 04 to 2011, 2010 Kia Rio. I'm also going to replace the door switch, the keyhole, so you can put your key is not working, so I'm going to replace that and show you the part number. So I'm going to make two separate videos. Just look at the title of this video, and then if you're looking for the other one, just check the description below, and I'm gonna have the other video. So here it is. Okay guys, so you're gonna come in here. This is our door. I have a manual door. I believe they all come manual. Maybe the fully loaded one come with power windows, but this one is manual. Most likely yours is as well. And we're gonna remove this right here. It's a Phillips screwdriver right there, so it's gonna be one screw right there. There's I think four, so it's one right there. If you come down here to the side, where is it? It's down here, and you can see it there. That's two. That's the second one right there. And then come here to this side, three. There's the third one right there. They're all Phillips. And then there's one right here, but this is not it. This is just a cover. So use your flathead. Use a flathead, and there's a little hole. Let me try and show you. See, there's a little hole where you stick it in and then pop that cover out, and then there's a Phillips right there inside. Remove those four screws, and let me show you what to do next. Okay guys, so I removed the screws that I mentioned before. Automatically this little plastic cover just comes out. Just open the door handle. I removed this, the window crank, the hardest thing you have to do. I've been fighting with it for about 30 minutes or so. Pain in the neck. Just because this Rio, the people did it a different way than other cars, so it's not, you won't be able to open it like you see online for other cars. Not even like the special tool will work, and I don't have the special tool. I just use flatheads. But just to give you an idea of how this thing works, so you can fix it. I'm gonna put a picture and show you kind of what I did in just a minute. But this is the part, right? And this clip goes in here, just like this. And you've probably seen it online, other vehicles, they all work the same. So it goes in here, and it has little holes on the side, and it goes in and it clicks in. And the way it comes from factory, let me just put it here, it's like this, right? And then facing this way, so you see this long stick is down, and then the little legs, which are those two legs on the side, they come in like this. So what you have to do is get a flathead and just come in here, and then kind of like push one of the legs off. Just push it off just like this, push it out, and then you'll be able to remove the door handle. The clip will come out. The problem with this car is that Kia decided to put this little plastic donut around it. So this plastic donut won't let you find that clip. As you can see, it has a kind of like a lip, and then it even has this protector here. So with that, you won't be able to find, the clip that goes in there. So you can't find it. You have to kind of make your way out. So what I was doing is kind of trying to break it so I can see it. Once I found it, I just pushed it. So I went through this side, and then I went through here. And then once I found the little clip, then I just push it off, and it comes right out. It's a pain. This happened to the car. I mean, you won't be able to see this because it's covered, but yes, it's a pain. And I used a thin flathead, and I used a regular flathead, and then I also used a flathead that was bent a little bit to try and kind of get in there. But yeah, I hope this helps. I mean, just taking this off is an achievement. There's no videos online. There's only one guy, something Guzman is his name. He has a special tool, and even with that, he had to kind of modify it and stuff, and he's the only video. And I mean, thanks to him, I kind of found the mechanism and the issue, and I guess the issue is just this protector. You just kind of have to take it off. Once you find the pin, just push it. I'm gonna put some pictures and show you that. But yeah, now that that's off, remove all this, all the plastic clips. Come down here with a flathead. Come down here with a flathead, and I kind of already did it, but there's a little hole, as you can see right there, and there's one right here space where you can just put in your flathead, just like this, and push out. I did it already, and then it pops out all the clips. And it should have 3 clips on this side. It has 3 clips on the bottom and 3 clips on the right. It's kind of the usual stuff that they carry, all the vehicles. Once that's out, you can bring this up. You may have to remove that triangle, may not. Let me actually see. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it. To remove that is very easy. Just come in here on the side. Usually the clip is on the top, and put in your flathead. I'm gonna use both of my hands. Oh, there you go. And put in your flathead and then just push out just like that. And you can do it on the bottom too. There we go. And then you can just pop this cover out. So let me just remove that, and then I'll take this door panel and then show you what to do next. Okay guys, I removed the triangle. It actually has 1 clip up here, which you just remove that clip, just pop it out. And then the other 2 clips on the side, you kind of have to slide this triangle up, which is just 2 clips. But if you slide up, it comes up. So you have to just pop the top one and then slide it up, and it kind of comes out. Now that you remove that, you can just go ahead and lift up the door. There's no cables or nothing holding it. And now we made it to this point. My goal is to replace this is how to remove the door panel. I hope this helped. If it helped, just like, subscribe. I think it'll probably be the only video taking out that door handle, which I really didn't even show you how to do it, but I guess with the knowledge, hopefully that will help you. But that's how you remove the door panel. You can like and subscribe. Now I'm gonna move on to removing the key, the switch, replacing it.